British Prime Minister Boris Johnson suffered a double blow as voters rejected his ruling Conservative Party in two special elections dominated by questions about his leadership and ethics. He was further wounded when the party's chairman quit after the results came out early Friday, saying Conservatives cannot carry on with business as usual. The contests, triggered by the resignations of Conservative lawmakers hit by scandals, offered voters the chance to give their verdict on the Prime Minister just weeks after 41% of his own MPs voted to oust him. Defeat in either district would have been a setback for the Prime Minister's party. Losing both increases jitters among restive Conservatives who already worry the ebullient but erratic and divisive Johnson is no longer an electoral asset. The electoral tests came as Britain faces the worst cost of living crisis in a generation, with squeezing supplies of energy and food staples at a time of soaring consumer demand while the coronavirus pandemic recedes.